SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable night shift mode on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has a setting called night shift that you can enable to change the color palette on your phone to theoretically make it easier for you to fall asleep. You can enable night shift mode in two different ways. The first option is through the settings menu, which you can open by tapping the settings icon, and then you can scroll down to the display and brightness option, and then you can scroll down again and choose night shift from this menu. Now you can either choose to manually enable night shift by tapping this button here, or if you would like to set up a scheduled night shift, then you can tap the button to the right of scheduled, and then you can choose the period of time for which you would like your phone to be in night shift mode. Note that when you have one of the night shift mode settings enabled, then you can adjust the color temperature by dragging it to the left to make the screen less warm, or dragging it to the right to make the screen more warm. There's the other way that you can enable night shift mode is through the control center. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you just need to find the brightness slider here. Now you're going to tap and hold on this, and then you should see a night shift button at the bottom of the screen. So if you tap that button, then that's going to put your phone into night shift mode. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.